Hey, we're going to be solving for a missing radius on a cylinder. Let's do some math. Let's go ahead and write down our cylinder formula. V equals pi r squared h. All of these are times in together, just like a cone, except you're not dividing it by 3. All right, we're going to be given the volume. Volume of this cylinder is going to be 350 feet cubed. Perfect opportunity to follow along by writing it down, copying out the steps. It'd be good to have. Just writing it down, so important to help you just remember something. I don't know what it is about copying and doing that, but go ahead and follow along by doing that. Let's draw a cylinder. If you don't know how to draw one, you draw an oval or an ellipse. Draw 2 lines down, and then you can draw another one and put kind of a dashed line back there, kind of like that. The height's going to be 12 feet, and we do not know r. We're going to need to find what r is right here. So let's plug in what we know to the formula and solve for it. So we got our volume, which is 350, equals, I just plug it in V, equals pi r squared. I'm just writing r squared because we don't have r, but I can fill in h with a number. So I'm going to put in parentheses 12 because I know that's it. So I've plugged in the pieces I know. The only variable I have in the equation here is r. Let's go ahead and solve for it. Looks like pi and 12 are multiplying, so we need to undo multiplication. We need to divide them off. So dividing by pi, dividing by 12, I also need to do that on the other side. Okay, divided by pi and 12, so pi divided by pi cancels. 12 divided by 12 cancels. I still have r squared. So r squared on the right. Let's take a look on the left. When I divide all of that, looks like I get, this is rounded, 9.2840 dot 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 dot. It continues on. Make sure you get those decimals because we don't want to round it until the end. Okay, now that we have r squared, hopefully you remember how to get rid of r squared. We need to take the square root. So I'm going to take the square root of this side, the square root of this side. So r is about, it's approximated, and the units are feet. Now I can put my answer here, rounded to the first decimal, the tenths place. That's going to be 3, because there's a 0 that falls after this. It's about 3. All right, you try one. I'm going to give you a volume. Volume's going to be 1,000 centimeters cubed. And here is your shape. Solving for r with a height of 15 centimeters. Let's see what you get for a radius. Pause it. Try it. Okay, you should have got 4.6 centimeters when you round it to the first decimal place, the tenths place.